In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar in your Wix website. We'll walk through this directly inside the Wix editor, so make sure you're logged into your Wix account and that you have your site open in the editor view, not just the live site. Once you're in the editor, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar with several icons. The first thing we're going to do is open the menu where Wix keeps all the elements you can add to your page. On that left toolbar, click the plus icon. This is sometimes labeled as Add. When you click it, a panel opens showing different types of elements you can add, like text, images, buttons, and more. This is where we'll find the option for your site search bar. In that Add panel, look for the section called Menu and Anchor. This section is designed for navigation elements, like menus, anchors, and search tools that help visitors move around your site more easily. Go ahead and click on Menu and Anchor to expand it. Once it's open, you'll see several options appear underneath. Within this expanded section, find and click on Site Search. This tells Wix that you want to add a search function to your site. When you click Site Search, Wix will show you available search elements and apps that you can add to your pages. You might see different styles or layouts, but they all serve the same basic purpose: letting visitors type in what they're looking for and quickly find matching pages or content. From the options that appear, click on Wix Site Search. This is Wix's built-in search solution, and it integrates smoothly with your existing pages and content. When you click it, Wix will automatically add a search bar element onto your current page. You can then drag it to the header, the top of your page, or any area where you want visitors to easily see it. After placing it, you can click on the search bar to adjust its design, size, and alignment so it matches your site's style. You can also preview your site and test the search to make sure it behaves the way you expect. And that's it. By clicking the Add button, going into Menu and Anchor, choosing Site Search, and then selecting Wix Site Search, you've successfully added a search bar to your Wix website.